current concept for the redirect mission and the astronaut exploration of the asteroid is to have the crew with their Orion spacecraft dock to the capture spacecraft. Now, they're solidly locked now to this 1,000-ton assemblage in distant retrograde lunar orbit. They'll open the hatch, the two astronauts will come out, they'll assemble a telescoping boom that will carry them from the end of the capture spacecraft out over the captured asteroid itself. Now, if they've used the fabric capture method and it's bagged inside a fabric sack, there will be built into this sack panels that can be peeled back, perhaps closed by Velcro, or some zip ties that can be opened up, and then you'll reveal the raw asteroid surface beneath, and then they can get on with the objective of sampling and coring and exploring the interior of the asteroid. If the asteroid has been locked into place by mechanical fingers that restrain the asteroid, well, then it's not actually contained within an enclosure of really any sort. And they can climb their way up on these mechanical fingers using handholds that have been built into the design, and they'll be able to access any portion of the asteroid that they would like. One of the concerns for the astronauts' safety is to make sure that they don't encounter a lot of dust that will coat their spacesuits and helmet visors and gum up their equipment. So one of the objectives or design features of the capture spacecraft will be to either deal with that dust and contain it inside an enclosure, then the astronauts can reveal just the amount of surface they want to see to limit the hazard. Or if it's the mechanical approach, there'll be some way to, by despinning the asteroid, to perhaps clean off the surface of the asteroid or identify portions where it's safe for the astronauts to operate. So either way, they'll have access over the course of the week, maybe 3 or 4 spacewalks, to do the sampling and scientific exploration. Kick that process off for the 10 years of follow-up that will enable robotic spacecraft from commercial and international partners to continue what the astronauts have started.